one else than what you do. That's why I'm honest in my life with you. I won't please you anyway.
I was mad as fuck with a blank ass face and some glasses.
Hey guys, so first we're going to start off with prepping her face. First we're going to go off with this pore minimizing mist. I love to use this on all of my clients. And then we're going to go in with some moisturizer. You always have to make sure you are moisturizing the skin before actually putting any makeup on it, because that is literally how your makeup can come on very smoothly or very roughly. So we're gonna go in with the Beats by Deb, her new color palette. Let me tell you guys, her colors are so pigmented. I mean, so pigmented. I freaking love that palette. I'm gonna do a more in-depth video about that palette, but for right now we're gonna go in with the pinks. And I did not show you guys how I blended out each color. Of course, as you guys can see, I just jumped right into the cut crease. But if you guys want to see me more doing color blending, then I would definitely put that more in depth into the videos. And while doing cut creases, because I get this question all the time, doing cut creases, all you guys have to do is go little by little and follow above the cut crease line, My theme for this look was breast cancer. That's what I was going for, because my aunt did beat breast cancer, and that is just like such an accomplishment for our family. So this was a look towards breast cancer. That's why everything in this look is basically pink and dazzling. But I love this pink liner, and I will also have the link to these liners in my description below, because these liners are awesome and they're at a good price. I did not record me putting on the rhinestones, guys, forgive me, but I did switch up my foundation routine, so I am going to pre-record that and then get that uploaded for you guys, because the way that I'm doing it now is not the way that I'm going to be doing it anymore. But this way that I'm doing it now, nothing was wrong with it. I just wanted to try something new. Sometimes you gotta do something new for your business. But anyway, Now, I did not record me putting the powder on her face, but I'll record that in the next video. But I love to freaking do the nose of the highlight. Like, that's like the topping on the cake right there. Like, just look at that nose. Snatched, honey. Snatched. Period. Period. No blood. And I love to use a powder for my lips because it blends well with the matte lip glosses, the matte lipsticks. This is probably my best and favorite lip combo. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you get us a big old thumbs up. Also, please subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.